What's up, YouTube? Out here in Pagosa Springs, Colorado, about to rip some freaking slopes with the boys. Emilio's birthday. Just cooked up some tacos. It's gonna go crazy. Mr. Emilio getting ready to send it.
We're going hard today. Do I look like the guy from Mr. Incredible?
Bro, you are him. Except
Because I'm
Mexican.
brown?
Yes.
Because I'm brown, Micah?
It's true.
Here you go.
Thank you, bro. Wow. Oh, that's beautiful. Out here in the rental shop, boys getting hooked up right now. You know how it is. First time learning those boots. I'm sending it on Emilio's old board. We'll see how she rides. If it's terrible, I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, get my own rental. But we're just trying it for today. We're getting back in the swing of things.
People were saying, he's like, I'm so mad I'm not on the mountain right now.
We're getting powder, boys.
Hopefully.
It's a little dry on this mountain, but we're getting suited. Everyone's stoked. We are official.
Let's go, dude.
Emilio's down bad.
I killed it by accident. It was all my fault.
Bro, what happened?
He went to lean back and his ski got caught under my
Bro.
I'm sorry.
I seen him push you down, man.
Well, I was like, I'm gonna wait for you to get out.
I know.
So embarrassed.
We got the hot springs out here. This is what I'm talking about. The snow life. Now we're really gonna shred, huh, Sophia?
Now it's real.
That was real.
Good experience.
Yeah. The powder. So much powder. The conditions are insane. So much powder. God bless Emilio for his birthday. Thank you! Bro, it's crazy. So fluffy, hitting every jump, landing on pillows. Let's go! Powder days. Good job. Man down, man down. Oh! Gage! Oh! What's up, everybody? We just made it back to Dallas. Drive was crazy. Tacoma held it down. You know how we do it. Powder was insane. We got the amigos. We made it home. Thank you. That was the craziest drive of all time. Straight ice the whole way. We didn't slip once. We only had one check engine light and it went away by the end. So, you know, we lit. That's how we do it at Pagosa. And highly recommend shredding some powder there if there's snow. We get back to the crib. That is 54 degrees. This Dallas, Alaska is no joke. Okay, it was very cold. It's like 17 degrees. I thought it was a scam. Every road was covered in ice, but you know, we pimped it out. We did it right. And now I'm crashing at Emilio's. We're gonna have a good time.